Now if you want to create a report to determine maybe some volume information, you can use the Earthwork Report command. So under Surfaces towards the right end, it's Earthwork Report. And the Earthwork Report gives you a couple options. You can report on a stockpile or a depression. You can report surface to surface, so this is a triangulated surface to triangulated surface, as well as surface to elevation. So if we look at the surface to surface report, you're going to pick your initial surface, maybe being your original ground, and your final surface being your subgrade surface. And you can use materials in the calculation, so I could tell it that the native material is my on-site earthwork or my on-site topsoil, and any fill material that's going to be required is going to be from my off-site borrow. So you could use materials if you wanted to. And then you could also tell it to break down the volumes by depth increment, elevation increment, and put in the index elevation. So, but for this case, we're just going to click OK, and it's going to go out and create a report. Let's see, it's giving us a warning. Same surface is defined. So my actual initial surface needs to be my original ground. And again, you always look for this error, so I'm going to click OK, and it's going to start creating the earthwork report and comparing the two surfaces. It may take a second or longer depending on how large your site is or small your site is. And it pops up into a browser view. So here you can see that I have the information about the project, the coordinate system, the original ground classification, and my subgrade classification. But then it shows you what my cut material is, what my fill material is, and what the excess is going to be. It also then looks at different zones based on the geometry, and you can see the maximum depth of cut and or fill is required. So as I come down here, it also includes in some other information and how data was used and calculated in the project. So pretty detailed report just on the earthwork itself.